Welcome to our quick dive into the fascinating world of brain's molecular magic. Today we're exploring how proteins shape our mood, behavior, and cognitive tricks all the way down to the tiny molecular working behind the scenes. Think of the brain as a busted city with countless proteins acting as diligent workers, keeping everything running smoothly. Let's talk about the proteome. The entire set of proteins expressed in a specific tissue, like the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for decision-making and mood regulation. By studying protein expression in this area, scientists can uncover how our brains respond to different stimuli and conditions. It's a molecular snapshot of brain activity. To get this snapshot, researchers use techniques like two-dimensional polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis, which separates proteins based on their size and charge, and then mass spectrometry, the high-tech tool that identifies and quantifies each protein with impressive precision. It's like sorting out a giant box of mixed chocolate and figuring out exactly what's inside each piece. How do these proteins influence our mental state? Well, the brain's serotonergic and dopaminergic systems, the brain's mood and reward circuits, are heavily influenced by specific proteins. These systems act as part of the broader omics world. Genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, all working together to give a complete picture of biological function. It's not just about mood. The endocannabinoid system and the hypothalamus axis are also key players, helping regulate stress, appetite, and energy balance. Kind of like the brain's own control center for homeostasis, keeping everything in check even when life gets chaotic. Scientists perform proteomic analysis to understand these complex interactions. Molecular detective work where they hunt for clues in the form of protein. They analyze how protein levels change, what we call fold change values, and use principal component analysis, a statistical method to see patterns across different samples. Within the sea of proteins, some stand out: alpha-internexin and peroxyredoxin 2, for example. Alpha-internexin is like the brain's rewiring specialist, while peroxyredoxin 2 helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Fib1 is a molecular hub. It's the central switchboard operator that influences many other proteins, especially in response to signals like phosphorylation, which is the process of adding a phosphate group to activate or deactivate proteins. Interestingly, artificial intelligence can help scientists analyze these complex data sets, sort of like having a super smart assistant that finds patterns and makes sense of the molecular chaos. AI helps interpret the data from proteins like GNAO1 and YWHAG, which are involved in G protein signaling pathways that influence everything from neurotransmission to cellular responses. So we've gone through the concept of the proteome to the tiny intricate details that shape our mind and physical health. Proteins in the brain are the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us balanced, alert, and emotionally stable. Thanks to advanced techniques and AI, scientists are unraveling these mysteries daily, bringing us closer to understanding the incredible complexity of the human mind. Until next time, let's marvel at the molecular marvels happening inside our brains every second.